tanks a lot.
Horrible start. Welcome back to the Kieran Show. My name's Kieran, his name is Kieran, and we are going back to strike pose. Such passion. We're going back into
every second of that.
Yeah, it was this is off to such a rocky start. We're going to be doing an army cost video once more. We did Krieg not too long ago, and this time we're talking the Flavorless Guard. Boo.
Yeah, you've had the crunchy nut clusters in Krieg. That's I don't know whether other countries have crunchy
Welcome
nut
to
clusters.
Fruit and Fibre.
I really like fruit and fibre.
So do I, but don't tell them that. Yeah, it's boring in the sense of conventional cereals.
Just as a
bran flakes.
really-
Bran flakes.
This is a proper digression. So, like when I was a kid, like my mum used to eat fruit and fibre, and I used to steal it over like the.
Steal it?
Yeah, like she'd buy them as like her cereal, and like she'd get like golden nuggets or something for us. So I was like, no, I really like fruit and fibre.
So my mum used to buy Special K, and I used to quite like that. But again, the
We're
problem.
not talking about cereal.
They come
That's
in-
a separate video.
They come in two smaller boxes, which is, I suppose, not too dissimilar from Warhammer. So there it is.
Definitely
Value for
Imperial
money.
Guard. Yeah.
Imperial Guard, we're here. This was alright, to be fair. The new combat patrol, I have some thoughts on, but we'll cover that
Well, I mean,
shortly.
Italian Rough Riders in box.
Yeah, do you like horses? Yeah, I don't know. The Imperial Guard's a weird one. There's so many different avenues you can take, so I've chosen to go right down the middle, go with all the classic tropes, I suppose, of guardsmen and all that tally-ho and all that. Oh, no, I'm bored of it. But yeah, Imperial Guard, fun.
Yeah, we've hated
For
on
Guard players.
Imperial Guard a bit, so this will be fun.
I'll be honest, I enjoyed it. I think this is
We don't
this
hate
is fine.
We don't hate Imperial Guard that much.
Of course we don't, because Krieg exists, and there it is.
And I blew up a Baneblade in combat, so in my book, Imperial Guard are cool.
I think Imperial Guard are also fun to play against.
Yeah, it's just I think if you're a fluff player, maybe.
A fluff player.
But this is accurate as of MUNITORUM Field Manual, whichever one the latest one is. The points do change, but as we're finding with these, it doesn't make a massive difference.
No.
Points in 10th edition have been really solid. Once they come out after the codex, not the ones in the book.
Yeah, the ones
after the codex, they're pretty solid.
Yeah, if you're buying one of these codexes, just avoid the back page. That's not really important at all. Oh, other than if it's a name generator, that's always fun.
Yeah. They don't seem to do those as much anymore.
Disappointing.
This is all GWRRP as well.
Yes.
Affiliate links and whatnot down below.
And we know somebody in the chat's going to be like, I could buy a Cadia Stands box for like 30 quid.
If you can,
No.
do it.
Just go do that, but that's not the game.
We can't get it.
Right. All of the negativity is gone. Released from the world.
Let's get into the list.
Absolutely right. So, jumping straight in is a combat patrol.
How many?
As is customary. Only one. No, I didn't want to include more than one, because it contains a Cadian command squad. Solid start. Same as the last one. Great models. I think everything looks good here. 65 points, like a nice little addition to any sort of Cadians. Guess how many Cadians are in this box? The shock troopers.
I want to say 30.
Oh, no, none. None are in the combat patrol. You have a Cadian command squad that can accompany no one.
What's an Imperial Guard army without Imperial Guard?
Yeah. Oh, horses, which there are many of. So in this box you get 10 Italian Rough Riders. Maybe for like the command squad to wave their flag out to begin and end the race when all the horses
You know
die.
what it is? It's 4th Earlingus.
For the Linger! Oh, that should be a video. No, that's a video. That's a different time. I'm already steering clear. So 10 Italian Rough Riders set you back 120 points. Then thirdly, and lastly in this box,
Oh,
it's very one-dimensional.
Is it the really cool ones?
It is the really cool ones. We're talking Cadian people. 10-man Cadian unit of 110 points. So,
I can see why you've not bought more than one box of these.
yeah, so this is a horrible stat. So it costs you 100 quid for a combat patrol, RRP price. If my maths are correct, it's 195 points. No, 295 points. Just shy of 300 points. Which is duty. I don't care.
I mean,
I don't care for it.
Imperial Guard players are looking at sensible financial decisions in the rearview mirror.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just really weird. I
It's
hate
a
what
weird.
they're doing with.
There's no Cadians. That's the weird.
I'll be honest, I hate what they do with Combat Patrols this edition.
Yeah.
Absolutely hate it. Anyway, next up, to lead all those Cadian shock troopers that we still don't have, I've introduced a Commissar.
Just the one?
Just the one Commissar. I'll go through all my findings a little bit later on. But a Commissar is 30 points. 30, 3-0.
Isn't he £30 as well?
It's 24 quid. It's nearly a point per pound, which is absolutely dumb. Dumb. But I'll be honest, I really like the model.
The new one's cool.
Yeah, the new one is cool. They've also just released the Minkalensk command squad or whatever for the Black Library thing. That was really cool. But
it's spenny though.
It is spenny. I was like, oh, that would be really cool, but obviously
Bits for days though.
Yeah, probably. If you've bought one of those, let us know down below, because, yeah, I'll be honest, I'm curious. Next up, we have got the first tank in the list.
Is it a Baneblade?
No, it's a Leman Russ Commander. So a Leman Russ sets you back 235 points, or £42.50. Leman Russ is sort of the backbone of the Imperial Guard regiment, and you can put a nice little commander on the top, which is lovely. So already we've got three different HQ units, which is wonderful. Would you like a fourth HQ unit?
I'd like some sauce. This is pretty boring so far.
It is pretty boring, I'll be honest. So, to lead those Attilan Rough Riders that we have so many of, we've got Lord Solar Leontus! I think that's how you spell it. Pronounce it, even. That's what the real word is.
Just as a small digression, I really don't like this model.
Oh, really?
Nope.
Oh, he just looks like Thingy from Futurama. What's he called? I've already forgotten.
Zach Brannigan.
Yeah, Zach Brannigan. That's exactly what he looks like. Next up.
Can we have some cool stuff? Where's the Basilisk? Where's the Baneblade? Where's the Rogal Dorn? Where's the extra 30 Kazakin?
Next up, we've got 30 Cadian shock troopers. That's where your spine is of the Imperial Guard.
I'd like to more if you just said Kazakin.
No, 40 no, you can't have 40 Kazakin. 30 Kazakin would have been done. Cool, but dumb. But mainly
So 30 total shock troops.
30 total shock troops.
That's not a lot.
It's not a lot. You could have gone far higher. I know people that have gone with 60, if not more. It's crazy in my opinion. I don't want to watch you move all your chess pieces for the entire game, but it's crazy in my opinion. So that sets you back 185 points and £94.50. So.
Oh, it's not too bad in cost then.
Not sure about that. Don't know about that, mate. Because next, you wanted sauce?
Baneblade!
Imperial Guard. It's a Baneblade, baby!
It's actually!
It is a Baneblade.
Yes! Now we're talking!
Now we're talking. So a Baneblade sets you back 480 points. That can go up or down depending on the Bane variant you choose. Go with the coolest one, because it's a Baneblade.
Is there another three of these?
No, there is just one Baneblade because it obviously sets you back nearly 500 points. And £115. So that's like the
box
best
is thick.
core value. Nothing but value in this box. And you've got the biggest tank in town, which is Lush. So have a great time.
I've seen people mag these.
Oh, really? Well, so you can take all of the different
There's like
variants.
I think there's 9 different variants of the Baneblade. It's like
That's
Bane
one-
Hammer, then Hammer Blade. There's like 2 words, and they chop and change.
All right.
Doom Hammer, Doom Sword.
Bane. Stupid.
Bane.
I regret what I said. So you wanted more tanks, so we're gonna have some more tanks. So we've got 2 more Leman Russ battle tanks. So this sets you back 350 points or £85. So far we've got 4 tanks. 4 tanks, 10 horses, 30 people.
One of them's a mobile fortress, though.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's a castle with
I've played
tracks.
against 2 Baneblades, and watching the person try and move them through terrain is always hilarious.
Especially when you're like, have you pivoted that? And last but not least, our saviour. One of the nicest tanks in 40k, the Rogal Dorn.
Best prime up.
The Rogal Dorn.
Maybe.
No, it's not. It's not that. But then again, they never called a tank Magnus, so there's that. A Rogal Dorn battle tank sends you back 240 points, or £63.25. You can, if you would like to, because we have enough points spare, 25 if you be so kind. You can have 3 normal Leman Russes, or go up or down, or flex whatever the hell you want, and turn your Rogal Dorn into a commander instead, because you can do that now, so that's fun.
Yes, that is cool.
But it's cool. So in this list, we have...
Is it at the end of the list already?
Already. It's very, very very easy. So in the combat patrol, you've got a Cadian command squad, 10 Attilan Rough Riders, and a unit of 10 Kazakin. You've got a Commissar, you've got a Leman Russ commander, Lord Solar Leontus, 30 Cadian shock troopers, a Baneblade, 2 more Leman Russes, and a Rogal Dorn battle tank. That is 1,975 points. Of course, we've done our due diligence, and we've bought some codex and data cards as well, because people love paper and they hate trees.
Before you get onto the cost.
Oh boy.
It's quite infantry light.
It is infantry light because I've gone with very tank heavy. So
It's the coolest bit of guard.
So I wanted to try and incorporate as much as possible. So within this, I've got 5 tanks, which is like a nice backbone. And it's not like, oh, just 5 of the same thing. There's 3 Leman Russes, one of which is a commander, a Rogal Dorn, and a Baneblade. So I was like, there's enough here that it's like, yeah, it's a decent backbone. You've then got 10 Rough Riders with Lord Solar as well. So you've got like a nice little, on the eastern fringe, like, oh, they're Lingers coming to save everyone. 30 of the Cadian shock troopers, which of course you can kit out with the Commissar and the Cadian command squad. So in my opinion, I'd probably roll with, I don't know, either... Yeah, it's probably like a unit of 20 and then the unit of 10 with the Commissar maybe. And then...
I mean, the tanks is cool. I mean, I played against Hammer of the Emperor the other day.
Horrible.
Which was just 2,000 points of Leman Russ. I killed 1.
So that, I don't know, that in my opinion, that's not that fun. Check that. As a Tau player, yes, that is really fun. I would love to play against that.
If it was like Hammer of the Emperor centered around a Baneblade and then there's all these little mini tanks, it'd have been wicked. But
oh, that is quite cool. But
it was just Leman Russes.
Yeah.
It needed a couple like Rogal Dorns. I mean,
that'd have been cooler.
I played against it with Death Company Jump Pack Marines, which were trying to cut them apart. Didn't go well.
Denting scratches in the side of it.
Give us the monies, because
the monies.
This isn't a lot of kits. I was fully expecting to be here for 20 minutes with you still reeling off.
See, you say that. Like, I still think there's quite a lot of stuff going on here. Even still.
Is there though?
I think so. You got 5 tanks, 37, I think, is the command squad. 37, 47 with the Kazakin, 47 troop units, 11 on horse.
Okay.
There's enough stuff here.
How many pounds is?
£621 and 75p.
Okay, it's not Krieg level.
Doesn't
stop at 7.
I did actually check. It's £180 cheaper than Krieg. Let me just double check that. I did check again. It's £150 cheaper than Krieg, which is obviously loads better. But honestly, it's the combat patrol. I honestly considered not including it because I was like, is this good?
No, because if it had Cadians in it over.
Well, I think it goes back
over the command squad.
But so the old combat patrol was essentially the same as the Cadia stance box, which was what, 20 Cadian shock troops.
We painted it. I painted it. It was 20 Cadians, like you said.
Command squad,
and big gun things.
Big gun things and a sentinel.
Yep.
Yeah.
How many burger tokens?
Oh boy, the burger tokens is 1,020 and 50 cents, which is okay, which isn't bad.
Euro Disney bucks?
Euro Disney bucks. Euros. 861 euros and 75 cents. And then in the land down under.
The one by Hellscape.
Indeed. 1,681
oh, you failed, you didn't crack 2.
No, I didn't crack 2. I'll be honest, no. It's strange, isn't it? Because in dollary dues, mine is 500 Australian dollars cheaper. Somehow.
I mean, I can hear the click-clack machine already. We've had a couple like, oh, why are you raving about the cost of Australia? That's not how like currency works. I'm like, because if you take the normal pound cost and do it conversion, it's not that much.
No.
There's extra. Maybe it's 20% in shipping.
Yeah, I don't know what the GW tax is, but yeah, they hate Australia.
Like I get, there's currencies where like $1 million of something is equivalent to £10. Like I get that.
Yeah.
And Australia is similar. It's the extra bits on top that we laugh about.
Yeah, it's funny, and also we try and make this as inclusive as possible. So for example,
New Zealand, but your numbers are even more ridiculous.
Yeah, if I'll be honest, if you are living in New Zealand and you're collecting Warhammer, how How are you doing that?
Well, you'd play Middle-earth strategy battle game because you live in Middle-earth strategy battle game. Imagine going to play like a War of the Rohirrim or like on the hill where Edoras was.
I mean, that would be incredibly cool, and I don't know why any of you haven't done that yet.
Someone will have. If you've done that in the comments, let us know.
We're really like drilling down on New Zealand here. We're being like super specific.
It's on my bucket list, Kieran. I want to go.
There it is.
I want to do the Hobbiton tour.
I wonder if Warhammer would sponsor us to go to New Zealand and play Middle-earth strategy battle game where Edoras was shot.
I mean, there's a lot better content creators than us that they're going to pick over us.
Better, yes.
Better, definitely.
Well respected?
Definitely.
I think it's debatable, subjective. But yes, if you'd like to buy some Imperial Guard, be sure to click down below on the links. If you could think of a better Imperial Guard list, obviously
I'm sure they can.
Yeah, just click down below and make sure you abuse me in whichever way you see fit. But Imperial Guard is such a strange, I don't know, army. You can go so many different flavours. I also didn't...
That's the cool bit of Guard.
Yeah, I mean, so for example, I didn't include things like Ogrins, because they're terrible, poopy, garbage models. Didn't include things like Gaunt's Ghost, didn't include things like Tempestus Scions, because I feel like that would be a whole Scions list would be very specific and very cool as well.
Yeah.
Didn't include, obviously, things like Talon or Katshan, because they're poopy garbage and they need to be better. But yeah, there's
Models,
so many different things.
Before you get on the click-clack machine, it's the models, not your regiments. Yeah, thank you to this giant list of...
Thank you to you guys.
Yeah, on the right-hand side.
Left-hand side.
It's my right! Every time!
This video has been a travesty.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Next up on this list, we don't know.
Oh yeah, we don't know now.
Yeah, because you've just had Eldar.
I imagine by the time this video comes out,
We'll know.
it's around Adepticon time, so
Yeah.
we'll probably
So we'll
know
redo
then.
that bit. Next up, insert army is next.
Woo!
I imagine it'll be some flavour of chaos.
Yeah, oh yeah, it did look like that on the last road.
Oh, no, it might be Emperor's Children.
Oh no, yeah, absolutely will be Emperor's Children.
Depends on those timings.
No, it's going to be Emperor's Children for sure.
We'll see.
Which is your job now. Yeah, it was allocated to me, but I've already allocated it to you.
I was going to take it off you anyway.
Oh, well, good for me for being nice.
Anyway.
But yeah, peace and love. Thank you so much. Bye.